Stability ball crunches. Set up for stability. Lie supine on the stability ball so the lumbar spine rests almost at the ball's apex. Bend knees and place feet on the floor wider than hip width apart. Contract abdominals to drive the rib cage toward the pelvis and depress the lumbar spine into the ball. Contract with enough force to elevate your head and shoulders. Focus your eyes toward the ceiling and aim your movement toward the ceiling. Return to the starting position with the spine extending slightly over the top of the ball. Repeat as the exercise program prescribes.